and welcome. There might be times when we want to review the search history of ours in Amazon. But how do you view search history of ours in Amazon? Hello everyone, welcome to 1-2 Step. In today's guide, we're gonna see how we can view search history of ours in Amazon. Well, let's put it simple. We just need to log into our Amazon account, and in the search bar, if you click on the search bar, you will have your searches displayed on top of these suggested searches. So if you want to clear it, all you have to do is click on this cross icon and this search history will be gone. Alright, one thing you should know is you won't get access to search history of mobile in website and the other way around. If you want to check out the full search history, go to your phone and also your browser. Now there is another thing you can do if you really want to get into the products you have watched in Amazon. And for that, it is simple too. Just go to your account and lists, and from there is a option directly in front of us, browsing history right here. So if we click on it, it will give us all the products that we have browsed before. Now you know how to view search history in Amazon. If you found this video helpful, do give this video a big thumbs up. Still have any questions, do leave them in the comment section and we'll get back to you right away. Until next time, bye-bye.